Today we are making invisibility paint.
No way.
Way! Also, a big shout out to
Pizza Bulb.
our first fan to comment on a video that we don't actually know. Also, we have another, believe it or not, celebrity YouTuber.
On a bottle.
Always on a bottle. See if you can guess who this celebrity YouTuber is. We got some of the merch over here, around there. Anyway, let's deep dive and get into the actual paint making. Get on to making some invisibility paint. Oh man, I just realized I've done my glove. Assistant, hold on a second. I've got to go fetch my glove.
Hey, hey, hey.
Okay, add the first chemical, whatever that is. Yeah, I feel some changes.
Now,
Feels interesting.
gonna add in some celebrity YouTuber. Can you guess who it is?
Cool. Man, something weird. Almost feels like creatures crawling around in here.
That's weird.
Man, there's really something wrong here. Oh my god, what are those things? Ah! After that minor mishap, happens all the time, you know, my assistant's gonna take over with the invisibility paint thingamajig making. She's not scared of bugs. So let's get on to making invisibility paint. Oh yeah! And first up, the yellow stuff with the biohazard side, hazmat. Oh man, looks almost like mustard. Kernel mustard in the bowl with the spatula. Okay, I think that's enough. What do you think? A bit more. Yeah. Mix that a
Can't
little
wait to
bit.
put this on my hot dog.
Ooh, yeah, make a tasty hot dog. Next, the celebrity YouTuber, if you haven't guessed who yet. She's getting a bit blue as well. Let's add a bit of her to it. Oh my god, I think it's starting to become invisible. It's disappearing.
Oh, wow.
And there we have it. Invisibility paint. Yeah!
Yeah.
Okay, let's make these things invisible. Yeah. I'm going for this pink one.
This pink.
Oh man. Disappearo.
Ninja.
What? Yeah.
You really got some full coverage there.
I think you need full coverage to really get the disappearing look.
No, you're going for like 1 second. I'm gonna go for the whole thing, you know?
I think you ought to make it quite thick though. Oh man, look, disappearing before your eyes. How does it even happen?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I'll do a bit of this one.
Dude, I feel like the purple's getting missed. See that? You can't even see the purple one.
Cool. Man, this hand actually holds brush pretty well.
Surprisingly.
Yeah. Cool. I think we've done a pretty good job, all in all.
Yeah, I'll say so.
Maybe a bit more on this pink one, just went to the edges. Yeah. I think that's pretty good.
Hold up.
Invisible puppets. Well, semi-invisible.
Done.
Cool. Job done. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to
Smash the subscribe.
and hit that like. And we'll see you next time, or maybe not see you. I'm here all week.